So let's take a look at a demonstration of what FlexiSound can do. Now, here we've got a piece of steel RSJ. Very often in construction work, there'll be steel RSJs, or it could be metal pipes, it could be plumbing, that resonate. So something like steel, when it's excited like this, it rings out like a bell, and we don't want that in a construction. What we're going to do now is apply a small piece of the FlexiSound, stick it onto our steel, and try again. And as you can see, the resonance has stopped.